So I'm in a lot of these Discord groups and Telegram groups, and I see in the comments and on the Instagrams and on the Twitters, I see a shitload of people selling models. Now, when you're just starting out as an OnlyFans manager, I can see the temptation behind wanting to just purchase a model from someone else instead of going out there sending messages every day, pitching, getting turned down, spending day in, day out, sending messages, getting ignored. I can see the temptation to just go, I'll just buy that model. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. And then I can get started. Well, first of all, that's really fucking lazy. I actually have a few more reasons why I will list, and then you can make your own mind up. Well, also, I suspect that some of these people may be too lazy to actually grow their agency. So I think they've figured, well, what if I just get models or people that I know that are doing OnlyFans or friends or whatever, or sisters that are just doing OnlyFans? What if I just sell them instead? It's a lot easier. I'll just sell them for a fee, get a commission every month. That's a lot easier. So I suspect that some of these people might be full of shit. Well, look, the model might be all right. I don't know, like, it could work. But I suspect that a lot of these people selling models are just because they're lazy. I'm talking about the people that are in these Discord communities and Telegram communities and all that, just selling models. They're just selling models for a fee, for commission. I suspect that that could be because a lot of them are just too lazy to grow their own agency. But anyway, I'll get into why I don't reckon you should do that when you're just starting out. So the first thing is, you want to learn the hard way first. You want to be in the trenches. You want to know what it's like to pitch girls. You want to know what to say. You want to know how to close. You want to know how to onboard. So you'll need to learn all about the pitching, closing, and onboarding process eventually. So yeah, what did I say? Oh, that's a bit small, isn't it? We'll write a bit bigger. You'll need to learn how to pitch, close, and onboard eventually yourself. Okay? That's one reason. Second reason is just don't be lazy. There's much more hard work to come. So if you're going to cheap out at the first hurdle and find a shortcut and just throw money at it because it's a lot easier and they'll get a model and just go in guns blazing, I suspect you're not going to get very far because there's going to be other challenges to come, some a lot more harder than this. So don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Much more hard work to come. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it for the first category. Just, you got to learn the hard way first. There's no two ways about it. You're just starting out. You've got to know every process. Same with the chatting, but I'll get to that in another video. Actually, I have already done a video about that. Every process of the OnlyFans management agency, every process, you've got to do yourself before you can outsource. So if you're going to outsource the first fucking step, well, good luck. You're not going to get very far because it's going to get a lot harder than that, my friend. So that sums up that. Secondly, you want to minimize overheads. You're just starting out a business. You don't want to go splashing money around before you've even got money coming in. You want to try and avoid spending money before making money. So try, we can. Try to avoid spending before making. Any entrepreneur, any business owner would tell you that. Don't go spending money before you even know if you can make money. So don't invest until the concept is proven. Don't go investing money until you even know whether you like or can actually do this job, whether you can run this business, start this company. So don't invest until the concept is proven. Don't invest is proven. Now, at the start, as I said, it's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of time. You're going to be seeing a lot of messages. You're going to be sending out a lot of DMs, voice messages. If you've seen my other videos, you know that you should actually voice message. You should actually voice message when sending the opening pitch to a girl on Insta. But anyway, that's for a whole nother video that I've already done. Yeah, don't just shortcut the hard work at the beginning. As I said, just because you may have money, don't go throwing it out there just to save you doing all the hard work at the start. It's going to get a lot harder than that, and you're going to be in the trenches for every step of the process before you outsource it. So don't just spend to shortcut the hard work at the beginning. I lost my other marker, so we use this one. Don't just spend to shortcut. Oh, that's a better marker, isn't it? Shit, that's useful. Don't just spend to shortcut. All right? Shortcut. A lot of people get tempted. Oh, I've got money. I'll get someone else to do it for me. I'll tell you what, when you're an entrepreneur, when you're starting a new business, company, or whatever, I personally reckon, the less money you have, the better, because then you're forced to push, you're forced to do everything yourself, you're forced to be in the trenches, working hard. When you start off with money, it's easy to get lazy, it's easy to get tempted to just take shortcuts. So that's my opinion anyway. Also, you want to avoid paying commission at the start. You'll notice that probably, 99% of the people selling models are selling them for a commission each month. There are a few selling them for an outright fee, but a lot of them are selling these models for a fee plus a commission. So what does that mean? That means when you take on this person, when you take on this model, and you start managing her account, then you start growing it, each month you're siphoning off a percentage of that to the person who gave you her. So you want to avoid doing that at the start. Well, you want to avoid doing that altogether, really. So you want to avoid paying commission if possible. So most people selling want, this is a useful marker, want percentage each month. Now, it doesn't take a moment to understand that when you're growing a business, it is counterproductive siphoning off cash while you're still growing, while you're making money, while you're still proving the concept. It is counterproductive siphoning off cash, especially if it's just to shortcut the first fucking step, which is sending out messages to onboard your own clients. If you're going to sacrifice however long you'll be working with this client, sending out a percentage of the revenue each month to the person that you got them from, that's just stupid. You're just already not off to a good start, just from sheer laziness. So you don't want to siphon off cash while you're still starting out. Don't siphon, I think that's how you spell siphon. Don't siphon off cash when starting out. So that's pretty much it. So to sum it all up, too long, don't read. Yes, you can just purchase a model at the start. Yes, you can, but you shouldn't. If you're starting out, just go out there, keep sending messages, keep trying different things, keep tweaking it. Use the voice DMs. I highly recommend that. That does help a lot. Just keep trial and error, day in, day out. You'll get there. Either way, you're going to be in the trenches, learning how to do all this eventually, all right? So if this helped you at all, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.